Hello everyone, welcome back to RC Bashers UK. Today we've got an exciting video. We're out with all the cars pretty much, or all four of the cars that we can take out at once. We've got the Traxxas Max, the Arrma Notorious 6S, the Arrma Outcast 6S and a Kraton EXB 6S. So we've got everything on show. We took them out, did some massive jumps and there was some destruction. I've got a broken Notorious 6S here next to me. The Arrma Kraton EXB smashed its rear wing off. And yeah, we had a few little things go wrong, but we managed to get the whole bash done, so can't really complain. And yeah, when we got back, there's a little bit of repair work to do. So here I'm going to show you straight away. Here's the Notorious 6S, and as usual, it's got its front diff ripped out. When you're spinning around doing a backflip and you know, you've got the full throttle pulled on the car, if the ground catches up with you too quick and you're still on that throttle, you basically, on the Notorious, especially on the Arrma cars, you shred that diff immediately. The gears just get completely shredded, and even in one jump, I've only just repaired this car. Literally, this is its second bash since it's been repaired, and it's over again. So it's not too bad. I mean, it's only a little gear in the spur gear, so it's about, you know, probably about a £30 repair or $40 repair. So it's not too bad considering you get to go out and do double backflips and massive jumps and all sorts of crazy stuff. But comparing that to the Kraton EXB, we've been jumping them now for, I don't know, let's say 3 to 4 months maybe, and you know, we haven't had a problem with the diffs. We've obviously shimmed the rear diff, so you know, that's working okay, but from landings and stuff like that, we haven't really had a problem. Now obviously we do try and let off the accelerator when you land, but sometimes, especially on these like places where the ground's uneven and you don't know exactly where you're going to land or how you're going to land or how you're going to take off, you definitely get some jumps where unfortunately you end up landing while you're on the throttle. And we have noticed, like on the Traxxas cars, I mean, we've never really had an issue with that, to be honest. I think we've, you know, I've shredded like one spur gear in 10 years or 6 years with a Traxxas X-Max and 10 years with a E-Revo. So yeah, so it is a bit annoying with the Arrma cars. They could just be that little bit tougher. Hopefully with the EXB they're going to hold out, and even if they don't, we've had months out of it now, so you know, for the sake of repairing the diff on the Kraton EXB, that would be fine. But unfortunately with the Notorious and the Outcast, you know, it is sort of every couple of bashes, especially if you start bashing harder like we have done recently. So that car might just be shelved a little bit now. I'm going to keep going with the EXB basically because it's more fun to jump. There's less repair work and it's faster with the ESC and motor we've decided to put in there. So yeah, it's all around just a better car at the moment, and it seems hard to say, oh, I'm going to take the Notorious out. But the Notorious is still a great car. It's very backflip happy. Sometimes you don't want to do that. Sometimes you want to do a backflip. Sometimes you just want to do a massive jump. So we find that the EXB does fly differently in the air. It's a little bit longer. It takes more to get it to go fully round, and therefore you can do some great jumps that aren't backflips, which are just as fun. And yeah, that's it really. So we're going to repair the Outcast anyway. We've got the parts will be on order soon. But for now we'll be ripping the EXB in the next few bashes, I reckon. We did take out the X-Max as well, and unfortunately we had some very cold weather here in England, so we took out the X-Max 8S, and as you can see here, we took a bit of damage. We've had some cracked plastic, but it's not too bad. All I need is this wheel hub and this little wheel hub thing here, so it's 2 pieces, 1, 2, and really it's unbelievable because it's so good value for money, should I say, on the X-Max. I mean, those 2 parts again, they're going to cost me probably about £30, $40, and you know, the X-Max has had a good 10 bashes with those, since it was last repaired, should I say. So you can't really complain with the X-Max. Pretty durable, and I was ripping in 0 degrees in the snow, so the plastic probably got pretty cold. There was snow sat all over it. If you've seen our Instagram channel, you'll have seen the amount of snow that got packed in the car, which is pretty cool. But obviously that water and that coldness makes the plastic go brittle as you're bashing, and you know, after about 20 minutes it finally broke. So what can you do? Get some new parts on order and we'll get the X-Max back up and running, because we love the X-Max. So that's it guys, bit really. So like I said, we took out all the cars. We took out the Max, the Notorious 6S, the Outcast 6S and a Kraton EXB. I'd also like to say welcome to all the new subscribers, guys. Thanks for joining the channel. We appreciate all your support, and welcome to the channel as well. We've got hundreds of videos for you guys to go and watch of Traxxas cars, Armour cars, FTX cars. You know, we've got loads of different cars, Charisma cars, Axial trucks, and so on. You know, there's loads of content on there. So thanks for joining the channel. Welcome, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already joined the channel. And we look forward to making more cool content, bashing harder. The more subscribers we get, the more hardcore we're going to go. So thanks very much, guys. Take care, enjoy the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Right, come on, guys, let's do it. Right. Right, come, let's go. Come on, come. Okay, all right. Listen to how smooth mine sounds. Can you hear how smooth it is? I can't get over it. Look, this has got the new servo in, Danny. That's why I bought the other car as well, because it might not last very long. Is it going straight? Pretty much going straight. Okay, let's see. Neil, it's going to be hard to hit, but let's make sure everyone's out there. Yeah, very nice. It's not easy to hit there, that jump, especially not with this car. Ooh, nice, Danny. That is excellent. That's it, nice. Right. Watch yourself, watch yourself, watch yourself. Oh man, I keep braking viciously. That wasn't good enough, I have to do one more. Test the new servo. Here we go, here we go. Cameron, watch yourself. Right, this long run up, here we go. Ooh! Now, is it aiming that way or is it just me? Oh. Oh, that was hard with that servo then. Go on, Neil. Yeah! Here we go. Oh, no, no. Hang on, I'm off. Ooh. If you've got control and confidence. Oh, flip off. Oh, shall I just reverse up? Hold on. Right, ready? Ooh. Yeah. Is anyone else doing any driving? That's the question. That's the question. Come on, guys, come on. Let me see some action. This is RC bashers, not RC watchers. Ooh. Do this one, yeah, as well. But do this here as well. This is a good jump, Com. You didn't do much of this the other day. This one. Ooh. Ooh.
That's interesting. You landed on your bonnet.
I landed on the bonnet.
Bonnet down. What happened then?
Come on, boys.
Where are you hitting it?
Just here.
Oh, rubbish, there's a wheel
Nice, Neil. Oh, not on the wheels. Get it, knock it over, Con, knock it over. This is a good spot. Right, go on, Danny. Hit it a bit to the right, Danny. Oh, and Neil, same as me last week. Go on, Neil, it's you now. Let's see it. Good, Con, thank you. Very nice, Neil. Oh, pain. It's not as easy with the Notorious as it is with the Kraton. Like, it's much harder to line up. Ooh, please, yes. Nice, Danny, that's it. It's so hard to do that. Nice. Oh my God, I totally went off. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, Neil, give it a kick for me. So what have we got here, boys? Let's give it a mention. We've got the Outcast 6S, we've got the Notorious 6S, and we've got the Kraton 6S, and we've got the Max on 4S. Danny, lead the way with 4S. Guys, let's line up. Here he goes. Oh, 4S takes a dive. Go on, Com. Go on, us three, go. Armour together. Yeah. Whoa, I knew someone was coming close. Was that Danny?
Yeah, I got taken out with it.
Oh, they don't sound good already, my diffs.
Starting great.
These ones are just a bit too small, aren't they?
Hey, little backflip.
Oh, that sounds rough, doesn't it? My diff already needs a replacement. Oh, nice. Whoa, Neil! Pushing the boundaries there.
I was going for that as well. If you haven't got the momentum, it takes you off.
Oh, I knew I was going to hit that, so I left it vertical. Oosh. Oh. Go on, Danny, kicker. Oh, it's so hard to get through the middle there. What's the camera saying, Neil?
Arm straight. We're all good. 27 minutes recorded.
27 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What's this tree obsession?
I like that. I did it the time before.
Did you? Oh, wow. That was, I'd get points for that if that was like some sort of pirouetting competition. Look at Neil and the, yeah, oh, that took a pounding.
Yeah, that's good.
Only the EXB with its Savox servo, guys. Oh, yes. Here we go. Oh! Who's next? Not bad. Nice, it saved you, Neil. Go on, come. Oh, nice landing. Woo. All right, go, Neil, go. Oh my God.
Had to go just a bit further
Yes! Oh!
Where's my...
That was the best jump I've done all day.
Was it?
Yeah.
As much speed as you can, go me. You need more speed though.
Make it tip down and you come out. Oh
Neil! Sorry, didn't know you were there, sorry, my bad. Oh no.
I ripped off the rear spoiler, just shredded the bolt. It's just
What's happened to it? A dog bit?
It's just a dog went on that right wheel. It's just loose, come out. Oh, it's properly broken.
The whole mount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what Obi broke on his
It's one of them, you know, you need a new one, let's break it.
metal.
That's the first thing we broke on ours. Isn't
Yeah, you need an RPM one, Neil.
it? We had to RPM.
These are RPM.
Not like that.
Nice. Oh, you made it, Neil. Nice, Danny.
Got that.
Danny, that took a hit.
Make it a normal jump. It's alright if you don't jump in.
Yeah, let's see.
Yes, just be cautious about that because you don't just jump in. Do you know what I mean?
It looks like grass here.
Danny, get some speed and hit it back.
Yeah, nice. Next. I'm ready on you, camera's ready. Very good. Go on, this is what I want to do now, here. Wait, this car needs more attention. Batteries are all over the place and things. Huh? Batteries seem to be out and stuff. Yeah.
Holy guys, look.
I don't even know whose car it is. Yes. Whoa. A hardened basher. This is like water up a duck's back of a basher. I don't know if it's snapping.
Oh, nasty.